I'm Chris Akabusi and I'm your host for the 2023 Building Innovation Awards here in Manchester. I can feel the energy, I can feel the excitement. Let's get ready to rumble. All right.
Cadline are about delivering inventive and state-of-the-art technology. And it's wonderful to get a reaction from and recognition from the industry. Fantastic. So, yeah, makes you feel good, doesn't it?
I think tonight has been the result of 4 years hard work for getting this product into the market. Now it's being used. We've got great feedback. We're going to be flying now, aren't we?